Good day, teacher and classmates. My name is Diego Carranza. Um, Good day, teacher and classmates. My name is Diego Carranza. Activity Unit 2.3 Present Perfect versus Simple Past. Let's see who's speaking today. Mary's sister loves sipping juices. Frank's speaking about horses' saddles. Tom's zebra and Dick's snake are unusual. Legs zigzag on the ice with Phillips skates. The candidate's speech sounded false. Thousands saw Shakira's show. Her face showed a nice smile. Wendy's sisters like sausages. The Cyclops say these cheese sticks. And the other is Unit 1.3 question with modal verbs. All alone go. Only no no. Open throw so. Over thrown throw. Okay Jan grow. Ocean stone flow. Over coat tomato. Oh dear come potato. Found John at home. Don't go to throw stones. His nose on grows. You owe John a phone call. My nose and throat hurts. Joe grows tomatoes and potatoes. Don't go to the show alone. Somebody has stolen my car. Thank you.